Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the other features that will be interesting to see in Microsoft Edge that is being tested in some markets in the Canary version. And of course, Microsoft is dabbling with how much data is going to allow and how it's going to actually work. But a lot of the idea is pretty much now kind of on paper. Microsoft will add eventually a virtual private network functionality to Microsoft Edge. At first, they wanted to give just like 1 gigabyte of data per month. It then tried 15 gigabytes in some markets, but now it seems that the official VPN or virtual private network that they will offer within Edge will have a 5 gigabyte monthly limit. Now, it might not be that much, but it actually will be pretty much a good amount, because here are what limits we'll have. So, of course, a virtual private network means that it's going to create a encrypted tunnel when you're using Edge from where you are to the other computer that it's connected to when you're actually online doing some web browsing. So your own internet service provider, for example, will not see what you're doing. And that encrypted tunnel, of course, in between the two computers, nobody can see what happens in there. It's an encrypted tunnel, after all. Of course, it also means that your home location is not known, because it will connect to an outside computer to surf the web. So what a website will see is that entry point, not your own home, which of course adds more privacy to your browsing. Now, what will be interesting, of course, is the add of this feature, and I think it's a good feature to add to a browser. And the things that is different in the VPN is that you will not be able to choose where you're connecting. On a VPN, if you've used a VPN before, if you have a paid VPN, you might notice that you can actually choose through which country, for example, you are connected when you're browsing the web. So if you connect, for example, to Germany, well, when you visit web content, it thinks you're in Germany. Well, this will not be the case for this one. You won't be able to choose where it's connected to. The other thing also that it will not let you do is stream through it. A lot of people use VPNs to stream, for example, Netflix from another country because it has different content available. One of these is here in Canada. A lot of people have done that to connect to the US Netflix service because there's more interesting content that they want to see. And of course, Netflix is trying to fight that at the same time. So that won't work, because if you're streaming video, the browser will take you out of the VPN every time you're streaming video. So it's not meant for video purposes. And anyways, at 5 gigabytes per month, you're just not going to want to stream anything anyways, because it's going to take that 5 gigabytes in an hour. So, but for browsing, standard browsing, it's going to work. And that's where 5 gigabytes, I think, is a good choice, because, just browsing the web doesn't consume a lot of data. So that will be, I think, a good amount. It will be reset every month. Of course, you're going to be able to pay if you want more. Basically, that's going to kind of try to have less tracking also at the same time, because since you're not connected to your home computer, the way things are going to happen, it would be different. So we'll see, but I think it's a good add-on. It's not the only browser that offers VPN service. I believe Opera offered one, if I'm not mistaken. It's I think a good add-on to have anyways. And, you can just turn it on when you need it and turn it off when you don't want it. And at least with 5 gigabytes, you'll have a fair amount of data that you can actually go through, but not for streaming. It will take you out immediately of the VPN when you're streaming video. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.